Hey everyone, it's Patty. I am so excited to be sharing with you a cleaning video today. This specific cleaning video is in preparation for my fall decorations. I am currently 30 weeks pregnant and in full nesting mode, so I am so excited to get the house ready. It felt really good to get the house clean and ready for all of my fall decorations. So pretty much what I have here are two baskets. The crate is for me to be able to put all of the seasonal decor or decor I know I won't be using when I decorate for fall. That way it's out of the way, it's put away. Later on I'm going to be putting it in an empty plastic bin. That way it's gone and it's not as overwhelming when I pull out all of my fall decorations. The other basket is pretty much for all of the kitchen towels, pillowcases, all of the things that I need to wash before putting them in a plastic bin. It also feels really good to empty out all of my tier trays, all of my shelves, all of the things, and just wipe them down really good. I don't do this like on a regular basis. I do this more like whenever I change out the decor. I like to take everything off and wipe everything down really good. Throughout this video, you will see my little helper. She loved helping me clean and loved getting into all of the things. My two big kids did get to work at the end of the video as well, so you'll see them in the video as well. But I love decorating for fall. I feel like it's the start of such a fun season. I feel like Christmas is my favorite time of the year, of course, but I love decorating for this time as well, and I think the kids enjoy fall just as much as they enjoy Christmas. Also, it's kind of hard to see because of the glare of the sun at this time of the day, but we have a new addition to our dining room. We recently found like a farmhouse style table used, so we have our current dining room table will be listing for sale, and we found this one for a really great price, and I brought two benches. I currently cannot do anything to the table because I am pregnant, but I have big plans. My dad and my husband are going to help me, and I'm hoping we can eventually refinish it, strip it, stain it. We're going to eventually keep one bench and then buy 4 black chairs. So I'm really excited for this project. I have been looking for like a nice family table for our growing family. We have 3 kids now and the 4th on the way. So this table is perfect for our family, and I'm so excited that we got it for such a great price. So here is the coffee station and dining room all empty and clean and ready for my fall decor. Next up is my entryway. I love decorating this entryway. It is really fun, and this table means so much to me because my husband and my dad built it for me before we even bought this house. If you guys have been following along with us, we bought this house just over a year ago, and it was a very long journey to finding the house for our family. We rented for many years, and we thought we would never own. So it was so nice to be able to get this house. So this is our 2nd year decorating for fall in this house, and it's just so special each year because we know how hard we worked and how blessed we are that God provided this house for us. So it's always really fun to decorate for the holidays and have that special reminder. But again, I like taking off everything and just wiping it down and making sure everything is really clean and ready for my fall decor. It just makes it so much easier because if you saw my fall unboxing video, I have tons of decorations. I like to change out everything. I get really anxious. I stay at home and we homeschool, so I get really anxious looking at the same things all the time. So any opportunity I have to change out all the things, I take it. So it's really fun to pretty much make your house look like a new house for each season. And I didn't get to decorate this year for summer, so it's kind of all of my spring things. I was feeling really sick in my pregnancy during that time and just didn't have it in me to decorate. So now that I have a burst of energy, I just am so ready to change out everything because I've been looking at the same stuff for about 6 months now. So I'm definitely ready to change out all the things. But as you can see, as I clean things, the kids grab them, which is fine. They get really excited whenever I change out the decoration. So it's like calling their attention, like, grab me, play with me. So that is what they are currently doing. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have helpers when you clean as well. I also would love to start a conversation in the comments down below about how you decorate for fall. I love decorating with neutrals and the pops of like the mint green and eucalyptus and lamb's ear, but I also love the pops of orange with buffalo check. So I kind of do themes in different areas of my house. I really like doing that. This is the entryway all ready for my fall decor. I also have in that corner a pile of fall signs that I pulled out during my fall unboxing. That way they are ready to go. I did put on some Christmas music at this point, so you'll see the kids kind of dancing. Christmas music and fall, I feel like once I start decorating for fall, it is like time. You're like allowed to play Christmas music. Let me know when you guys start playing Christmas music in your house. I start in August because I love it that much. So this is our living room, and right behind the living room goes a little bit longer, but through the ceiling it's kind of sectioned off. So once the ceiling divides, I kind of made that into like our homeschool / playroom. So the kids are currently supposed to be picking that up. So you'll see them kind of playing, kind of cleaning in the background, but they are supposed to be cleaning up. And then I'm just taking off all of the pillow covers that I know I'm not going to be using anymore. I love decorating our couch with pillows, and anytime I can find pillow covers that I like, I prefer that so much more. It doesn't take up space, they're easy to throw in the washing machine, and they're super affordable. So if you know of any fall pillow covers, let me know. I found one this year at Hobby Lobby that I can't wait to use. I purchased one last year off of Amazon that totally had a spelling error, so that was a bust. But I also have some awesome buffalo check pillow covers from Amazon as well that I love. So I definitely love pillow covers and things that don't take up too much space to decorate with. So I also love changing out my blankets. There's a couple that I keep out year round, and then there are some that I like to change out seasonally. I really like the blanket scarves because I feel like those are a lot more affordable, but a fun way to add maybe like a pop of color if you're decorating with a lot of neutral. And they're super affordable, don't take up a lot of space. So I definitely am a big fan of the blanket scarves. And I'm hoping I can find one this year. I kind of am in the mood for a couple pops of orange. So I would love, all of my pillows are neutral and my blankets are all neutral. Everything's pretty much black and white. So I would love to find a like plaid or teaking striped orange pillow, and then like a blanket scarf or plaid orange blanket. So I'm hoping I can find those really inexpensive because I don't have tons in the fall budget this year. So those are kind of my top finds. And as you can see, as I clean, the kids play, and I love looking back on these and seeing what they're up to while I'm cleaning. But they do help me. They know it's hard for me to bend down and pick up a lot of things. So they help me get all the things off the floor, and I love seeing them help me as well. I am really looking forward to, as the kids start growing up and getting older, incorporating some fall traditions. I've been always about the Christmas traditions, and the one fall tradition we have is that we go to the pumpkin patch every year. We have a local pumpkin patch and we go every single year, and that's one of my favorite things. We've done that since my oldest was born, but I definitely would love to hear some of your traditions in the comments down below, because traditions are really important to me, and I've always focused on Christmas time, but I haven't done that much for fall. So I would love to do a couple of special things for the kids this year before I have the baby, because she is due at the end of October, beginning of November. So I'd love to do a couple of special things before she comes, just to make it extra special for the kids this year. Here I am cleaning my kitchen, and I just want to get, again, all of the decorations that I know I won't be using put away. I also want to clean the appliances really good. The only appliance I didn't get to was the oven and the stove because I'm cooking dinner while I'm cleaning the kitchen. I love using the stainless steel wipes, and the best results that I get is I use the stainless steel wipes and then I get a microfiber cloth and I just wipe everything down, and it leaves everything super clean, and it makes it really easy to clean all of the stainless steel appliances. Also, if you have not caught my pantry organization video, I recently redid our pantry storage. It's that kitchen island to the left, and we put up some shelves and decorated it and kind of made it look farmhouse style, because if you guys know, I love farmhouse style, so I'm really happy with how it turned out. Definitely check out that video and see how I organized it, and I'm so looking forward to organizing it for fall. I actually have a fall decorate with me of my kitchen coming soon, so definitely make sure you are subscribed so you can see how I decorate the kitchen. I'm really excited about it this year. I usually don't do too much in the kitchen because our kitchen is so small, but because we have those shelves and the tiered tray and all that extra space this year, I am going to do a little bit more than I normally would in our kitchen. So I'm super excited about that, and I can't wait to share with you guys my ideas. So definitely make sure you stay tuned for that. What are some of your favorite fall meals? Here in South Florida, it is still so hot, so I can't even think about cooking like a soup or anything like that. But I'd love to hear some traditional fall meals you guys like cooking around this time of year. I love baking around this time of year and just having the house smell like spices and cinnamon. And once it gets a little bit cooler, I love making chili and just some stews and things like that. I feel like it's just cozy food, but I'd love to hear what are some of your favorite foods that you like making around this time of year. Here is a little sneak peek of the pantry and the kitchen all clean and ready for my fall decorations. And the best way to end a full day of cleaning and organizing is to just light a fall candle. Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin from Bath & Body Works is one of my favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!